Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you are visiting channel for a first time, then my introduction is on your screen. I'm thankful for each one of you because it's just you and just you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing software development languages and technologies with you. It's a mission which I am trying to drive with everyone whose aim is to establish career in software industry. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Also, press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Thank you. Let's start learning.
Welcome. So, this is day 2, part F, and we are going to talk about today few topics. And in this session, we are starting with special characters in SOQL. Now, certain times you have seen, uh, in English as well, this is the very common thing which we see is whose pen is this? And somebody will reply, Rams, right? That means showing the relationship, that, showing the ownership, that this plan is of Ram. So what we simply say, Rams. And there we get this character. Now, in such situation, how we can fetch or how we can retrieve the record in SOQL. I'm sorry. So let's see, we have an account, and that account we have the account name as Veers. Now, let's write the query. Okay, that's a simple query. We see the name, right? Now where, now I want to make a filter, name equal. Another question is, how I am going to use this? Shall I put the, or first of all, let me, take a simple one. So here is the edge communications. So if I put the edge communication here in between these two and execute, I got my result. I'm sorry. I got my result, right? So is it possible in this situation as well? Let's see. Unknown error parsing query. Okay. Unknown error parsing query. Now, that means that this is not a straightforward the approach to fetch the record who have the special character, right? So what we do, we use this special character, and then we can get the result. Let's see how. So let's say we have this word here, okay? So what we do, we will write it in between and just before this one, we will use this character. And let's see now. See. Okay. So in any such situation, wherever you see that there is a, the kind of, the relationship, or you see the pattern of a text like this, simply use a special character and you can get the result. I'm putting it here for your reference. Okay. Now, second topic we have is order by. Now, why this is important, order by, let me show you. Now, tell me, back in your school days, during assembly or any other occasion where you were asked to stand in a queue or stand in a line by your teacher, I'm sure that this wasn't the pattern you have followed, right? Neither this one, right? But yes, this one you must have. I mean, stand in the queue according to your height. And that makes a order. Order means that you are standing in a queue according to your height. And the purpose is so that everyone should have the visibility. They should not face any difficulty due to the height of the other person, right? So this is the concept we have as well in our SOQL, and the concept is order by. Now I will start with a very basic scenario. First of all, let me close these. Okay, before we start further, I'm sure that you are checking the job opportunities which I'm posting continuously. If not, then the go to YouTube and type the channel name Be the Developer and come in the community section. You can see the job opportunities which I'm continuously posting. You can also see the job postings available in the other social media platforms. I'm posting in the WhatsApp, I'm posting in the Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn page, Twitter, and Facebook. So in whichever so you are comfortable, you are free to get the detail, apply, and also share those job opportunities with your friend so that they can also get benefit of it. Okay. Now let's see. So we have account, okay, and in this, we have the annual revenue. Now let's say, let's write it first, right? Now two way you have, sorry, one is either you can go to the query editor and get the the field API, or you can simply from the developer console you can use this. Okay. Now, what we require? We require annual revenue. Okay. We require annual revenue. So let's see. Okay. Let's also take the name as well. So what you see is a very a disturbed pattern. I mean there is no order. You're seeing 200 here, then in minus you're seeing some the accounts annual revenue, and then you see the large number of this, and few are the blank here. Now this is very disturbed pattern, right? In business, you certain times require that you need to see a pattern. For example, let's say if you are a, if you are working on a business requirement and the business requirement say that get me all the accounts in the order whose annual revenue is blank and in increasing order. Okay. So first of all, let's see, one by one. So when you say the order by, okay, we have here as ASC, that's the ascending, DESC, descending, nulls first, okay, and nulls last. I will show you the use of every, the keyword, okay, don't worry, but just, understand one by one. Now, as you have seen here, this is a basic query which we are using, okay. Now, let's say, as I said, that here we are considering the order by, we are considering the annual revenue to decide the order. So we will use the order by keyword here, okay? And then your field, and then your deciding, which like ascending, descending, or nulls first or null last, okay? So this is, this is the very basic query we have, right? Understand that it's up to the, the business that in which pattern they want to see the data. When I say the business, that means in the project in which you are working, you have to first get a clarification that in which order they want to see the data. Okay? Is that clear or any problem? Now take your time and let me know. Then I will move. Perfect. So let's see here. Select ID, name, annual revenue from account. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm just putting this function. And you see that now it's in ascending order, means increasing order. So in the last, we have the largest number. All right. In last, we have largest number. So ASC means ascending. Now, what if, I want to see in the descending order? Say minus 987. Now, as you know, that in the integer, I have to, okay, let me show. So, in the integer, we have, the 0. Here's a positive and here's a negative. So 0, -1, -2, -3, right? So that's why you're seeing here that -100, -987, right? So that's why you're seeing that in the last -987 is coming, and instead of the -100 in the last. Okay. Now, two examples I have shown you here. I will also keep it here. Okay. Now, nulls first. Okay. I'm just replacing ascending descending with nulls first. See, first we are getting the records, the accounts whose annual revenue is blank. Okay, and then it's coming in the increasing order. Okay, I'm writing it for you only. Focus here. You know that you will get the notes, right? So just focus here, and in case you have any questions, ask the question. Now, nulls last. Nulls last, that means that you should get the all the accounts whose annual revenue is blank in the last. Okay. Easy or difficult or any question? If you have, ask me now. Okay. Now, let's say you can ask the question that can you combine these? For example, ascending nulls first. Okay. Let's say, I mean, now can you also, let's say your requirement is that you need the all the the accounts whose annual revenue should be in ascending order, and if there is a null, if the annual revenue is blank, then that should go in last. You don't want to see in the beginning. All right, let's try this. See here, minus 97, minus 100, and then the 10, 23 increasing, 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 and the largest that we have, and then all the accounts whose annual revenue is blank is coming in the last. Easy. What if I want to make a small change, that is descending? Okay. So descending, the largest number is here, and then it's descending, and then the nulls last. Okay. All right. Let's see more patterns. So null first, annual revenue should be in decreasing order, but the value, the records whose annual revenue is blank should come first. So it's coming first, right? And then it started decreasing. Okay. Again, what you have, annual revenue in a decreasing order, and null should go in last. So decreasing order and null is going in the last. Okay. Now, this is something, the can also be asked in the interview question, that what is the default order by in SOQL? So default is ascending, nulls first. Okay. I mean, that is something is the default. All right. Any question till here? I mean, Any question means any question. Okay. I mean, not only, related to this session, if you have any questions related to the previous sessions also, then also you can ask. Okay. If not, then we will continue with the next topic. Okay. So for all the YouTube, I mean, all my, my YouTube family, people who are watching this session, I'm ending this session and will be, I'm at the beginning with the next session, that is G. Till then, you stay safe, take care of country, take care of your society. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, share among your friends, and show your love with your likes and comments. Jai Hind.